Hey guys, what's up? It's Wooly Plays here, and today we are back with another video. So my buddy Slayer discovered something quite. I don't know if it's new. I don't know how long ago this was changed, but apparently Solar Titan makes a bonk, so makes like a frying pan sound. So we're testing the different subclasses. Okay, no bonk. So now we're gonna go to Solar, right? And you're gonna hear a bonk sound. I don't know. Let's see. So listen closely. You hear that? That's that. When did they add that? I don't know if anybody else knows when they added that. Please leave that below in the comments. But that is very new to me.
It's armored sundered. You don't have melting point anymore. It's a
Armored.
different debuff. Take a look at this. Hold on.
Is it? All right. Hold on. Okay. The soda's void does that too. It seems makes the bonk sound. Makes the sound. But I think that was always
Oh
there.
no, yeah, that was a different bonk. This is a new bonk.
Yeah. This is like brand new. What's it called? Hammer Strike.
Yeah,
It's called Hammer Strike now, not Melting Point.
yeah.
Hmm.
No, no, no. It has a debuff.
As a debuff?
It doesn't
Well, hold on. Okay, so
list melting point anymore. It just has armor sundered.
interesting. Hold on. Come here. I'm gonna shoot you with Rat King and see, like, if it,
If I take crit damage,
yeah, like extra damage. So like that's 51. Okay. I'm gonna let you regen, and then we're gonna go ahead and do this. Yeah, that's an Oh my god! That is so much damage!
I think that's just melting point in general.
That's just melting point in jail. But holy shit!
But
You
now it's
went
armor
from
sundered
yeah,
instead of melting point.
you
Hold
went
on.
from 51 to 76 though. That's an insane buff. So like you hit someone and they're not surviving.
I can't find anything about armor sundered.
Armor
Okay.
sundered. Tempered middle Vulcan's rage. Hmm.
Okay,
That's
I'm gonna go back
weird.
to Halo.
Yeah, you go ahead, go back to Halo. That is so weird. That is insane. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Just wanted to show you that. Hope you guys enjoyed the